If you want to remove people from photos on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, we need to go to the Photos app. Now over here we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit, and we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. In here we need to go to the AI editor, and in here we can find the AI eraser tool. Now we're gonna switch to remove people. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Most of the time these people will be highlighted. We can also tap on remove all in order to get quickly rid of all of them. And there we go. In case there is something left after removing people, or if not everyone have been selected, you can still tap on people in order to remove them. And any objects that are left over, we can switch to the smart lasso and we can try to select these leftovers in here and try to fix them. There we go. Now let's tap on done in the bottom right corner. You can also see the comparison before and after. And there we go. Now we're gonna tap on done again and let's save our photo. Leave a like and subscribe.